morning, everybody. It's Dave with Alaskan Homesteading. Today is an exciting day. We have our trusses getting delivered to round out the top of the shop. So let's take a quick look over here and see what we have so far. The weather today is a little iffy. It's supposed to be a little windy, which is not great for booming trusses up onto the top of a building. As you can see, we've got substantial progress. So we've got our three outer main walls, and we'll be ready to set the trusses here in a little bit. But yeah, we might get a little wind and rain. We were originally under a special weather statement for like 40-50 mile an hour winds. That expired and we haven't seen any of that. So hopefully that that doesn't show up, because that'll put a halt to this work. But let's take a look here. Here's the first couple of packs of trusses. They were sort of all delivered in one unit, and then they had them banded into little packs of 5 or 6 or whatever, just to make them a little easier to handle. My builder is bringing them down the driveway with his boom lift, and we're getting underway here. So now that we have some stairs, we can go up to the mezzanine area and walk around a little bit. It's a pretty nice view from up here. It's almost a shame to put a roof on it, because you can really see some beautiful views here. Got nice mountains, and of course the house over there. And then there's more mountains off that way, which you can't really see today because of the cloud cover. Well, today's excitement was short-lived. We got one truss up, and then the wind picked up. And now it's really not safe to be trying to put 52-foot long trusses up in this weather. It's a shame because it got nice and warm. It's almost 50 degrees out, but with that comes the wind in this situation. So they got it up there, they got it braced, and it's gonna sit. And hopefully tomorrow we'll have a little calmer day. We'll see. They're gonna call me back at 7 a.m. bright and early and find out what the wind is doing over here, because where the builder lives and where I live, we get pretty different weather patterns, and so it's easy for it to be blowing a gale over at his place and then nothing over here. But there's our first vaulted truss up, and it really is kind of cool to see it, because you can really tell just how nice and open and high the ceiling is going to be back here in the mezzanine area. It should be really pretty cool. And then the other part of the design here is to have some sort of like trapezoidal windows up in this section here, so that we have, you know, again, more light and some more view out the end. But that'll have to be for another day. At any rate, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you're enjoying the progress videos on the shop here, and if you want to see more of them, go ahead and subscribe. We'll keep publishing more because there's a lot to do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.